At first glance, these drills probably all look the same, and you'd be mostly right. Both newer and older models look very similar, but you have to use a chuck key to operate the older style. The key is almost always attached to the cord so it won't get lost. Having said that, I can tell that this is not the key that came with this drill. To insert a bit on an older drill, loosen the back of the chuck. Then, when the bit is in, twist it the other way until it stops. And here's where the key is necessary. Insert it into one of the holes and turn clockwise until the drill bit is held in nice and tight. To remove the bit, just reverse the process. And if you're missing a chuck key, I'll list a replacement in the description so it's easy for you to find. So if you happen to dig out an old drill, it should still have a lot of life left in it, but just remember that you do need a chuck key to make it work. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.